Samsung is breaking more records. What's up guys, as we know, the official leak regarding the Galaxy Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3 is here. In addition to the leaked images, we also have short videos confirming that this is indeed coming from Samsung's official trailer that we'll be seeing eventually for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3. So yeah, it's all legit, and based on this official leak, we now have high quality renders giving us a more of an accurate representation of how the Galaxy Fold 3 will look. I gotta say, it's looking absolutely stunning. With Galaxy Fold 3, Samsung is breaking multiple records at the same time. It's the world's first foldable phone to have under-screen camera, S Pen, official IP rating, and now, for the first time, a dual 120Hz refresh rate display. Yes, for the first time, Samsung will be offering 120Hz display for both inner and outer display for that consistent experience. This was one of the things that annoyed me about the Galaxy Fold 2, the constant disconnect between the main display and the outer display. Thank God Samsung has fixed it, and they're now bringing a constant refresh rate across all displays. Now only the main display is having the under display camera. The outer display will most likely rock a punch hole camera. Now interestingly, the Fold 3 is packing the same battery size as the Galaxy Fold 2 from last year, so with dual 120Hz refresh rate, it'll be very interesting to see how Galaxy Fold 3 will manage its battery efficiency. Samsung is heavily relying on optimization and of course on the 5nm Snapdragon 888 chip. Yes, just like the previous generations, we're not gonna see the Exynos processor on a foldable device. So for an Exynos foldable phone, we may have to wait for next year because that's where we're gonna get the Exynos 2200 with the AMD GPU. Also in the news, we've got the best look at the Galaxy Z Flip 3 based on the official leak. This is of course coming via Let's Go Digital. A lot of people have mixed opinion regarding the design of the Z Flip 3 when the first leak came out, but after these realistic renders, it actually looks pretty good, especially that outer display, which is now much larger than the outer screen of the Galaxy Z Flip 2, and of course it does give this phone a very unique look. Once again, you'll be able to utilize that outer screen to take high quality selfies and of course take high quality videos. As for the front display, it will be much stronger thanks to new ultra thin glass and of course with that 120Hz refresh rate. So there we go, Samsung is indeed breaking lots of records with its Galaxy Fold 3. Right now, Samsung is so far ahead of competition, like they are absolutely untouchable. The only brand that had the chance to compete against Samsung was Huawei, but because of everything that has happened to them, they're not in the position to compete with Samsung. Apple, as we know, they're taking their sweet time. The first foldable iPhone is expected to come in 2023. By that, Samsung will be on its 5th generation of Galaxy Fold, and that is absolutely crazy. The only foldable phone that was launched recently by Xiaomi to challenge Samsung was the Mi Mix Fold, and although it brings some cool technology to the table like the liquid lens, but it looks so much worse when it comes to the design. It's got super thick bezels. Not to mention, there is no 120Hz refresh rate, and it also cost $1,500. As Michael Fisher said, Samsung has absolutely nothing to worry about. Also in the news, Samsung might be launching their most powerful Galaxy A 2021 device pretty soon. Once again, they mistakenly mentioned Galaxy A82 5G in one of the devices listing. As we know, Galaxy A82 has been officially revealed in South Korea, but a worldwide launch has still yet to happen. And from the looks of it, it might actually happen pretty soon. So yeah, that's all of this news. Based on the official trailer, we've got the best look at the Galaxy Fold 3's design and Z Flip 3 as well. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.